I used to think I didn't have a favorite meal, but it turns out I do, and this is it. Remove the tenders from your chicken breast and then flatten it out so it's even all the way through. Season with garlic powder, soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, salt and pepper, and let that marinate. Season the breadcrumbs with some salt and avocado oil, mix that in, and then start coating the chicken with some flour, eggs, and the panko breadcrumbs. Press it in firmly, and I like to cook this in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. Let that cool, and for the sauce, combine coconut milk, peanut butter, brown sugar, soy sauce, rice vinegar, garlic, ginger. Let that simmer until thick. Cut up the panko chicken, and then transfer it to your plate with some jasmine rice, your veggies, the peanut sauce, and enjoy.